Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable push notifications for conversations threads on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to stay updated and engaged with your mentions and replies. To begin, navigate to the top menu and tap on your profile icon. This will lead you to your account settings. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy to access the various customization options for your Twitter account. Within the Settings menu, tap on Notifications, and then select Push Notifications to manage your notification preferences. To specifically enable push notifications for mentions and replies, tap on Mentions and Replies from the list of notifications settings. Finally, drag the slider to the right to turn on the setting for push notifications related to mentions and replies. This will ensure that you receive timely alerts whenever you are mentioned or receive replies on Twitter. By following these steps, you can streamline your Twitter experience and ensure that you never miss important conversations or interactions on the platform. Stay connected and engage with your followers and the Twitter community by enabling push notifications for conversations threads. Enhance your social media presence and interactions by staying informed and responsive through timely notifications. That concludes our tutorial on setting up push notifications for conversations threads on Twitter via your PC. Implement these steps to stay connected, engaged, and informed on Twitter. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.